Greetings, class. Chris Haskins here with the realestateroundup.com. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to join us. I'm going to bring you in. I'm going to suck you into another day in the life. Today, I'm in the middle of a $110,000 second story addition. I'm going to bring you inside of this property. You're going to see all the framing. I'm going to introduce you to the general contractor. He is world class. I am learning a lot from this guy, Brother Mark. Thank you for taking the time to work with me, Mark. I see this guy is he is amazing, the things he's done, things he's doing. Oh, I almost forgot. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Take 2 seconds. Go down there, subscribe, share the content. You are changing my life. I'm meeting people all around the world. I want to pour into you. I want to give. What do I want to do? Exchange. YouTube pays me to give the knowledge and wisdom that I've gained over the last, I don't know, since 2004. I don't know how many years that is. That I don't even want to tell you. But today we're going to go to a property. It was a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. We are creating 3 additional bedrooms upstairs. Literally, we're taking the house up, and I'm going to show you a time-lapse video and take you inside, walk you through. You're going to see the framing, see the guys doing the roof. It's going to be some beautiful stuff going on. You're going to learn a lot. So pay attention. And if you have any comments or anything you'd like for me to show you, let me know below. Chris Haskins, realestateroundup.com. Let's go. Okay guys, we were inside and I just wanted to show you a quick pan of the exterior before we explain how the downstairs works. You see what we did? I'm going to snapshot the beginning of the property. Come on down, you can see the existing house is where the brick is. That was our existing house. So all we did was take the roof off, go up for our second story, 3 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms upstairs. You see we're starting to put on the roof line there. Very nice. We got 7 guys up there. So we've already framed in upstairs. We got the sheathing going up. Now they have to put up the actual roof itself for the pitch slope. The water can drain off. Going inside. What's going on right now is we had a floor plan that we thought was going to be sexy, but when we pulled out the walls and we saw the window placements, we were having to do some changing and manipulating of the floor plans. Remember the 3 pillars of real estate: location, finance, /terms, and expandability. We are expanding this current house upward instead of outward. I'm here with the contractor here, Mark. Mark's going to walk us through and show us exactly what's changing, what we have, then he's going to show us how we're changing it up. Go ahead, Mark.
All right, at first here we had a kitchen. We're going to relocate the kitchen to over here, so we don't lose this space right here. This is just a lot of dead space under the stairs. We're going to use this as a coat closet because we didn't have one. So now this is going to be the living area, or the great room area.
The living area, great room, yeah.
Over here, we're going to have a dining room.
Stop. Smith. So, how did we not see this? But this all came together as we were building the stairs. We didn't notice this with the drawings. Tell us how did that come about, Mark?
Yeah, the architect we used, he didn't maximize the square footage as we would like to. There's no square footage to be lost when redoing a house.
Gotcha.
So that's just conditional, what I call it, field changes. You're not always going to catch it on the plan.
Gotcha.
You're going to always see how you can do things, and it doesn't affect the integrity of the structure by doing that.
So great room. Go ahead, Mark.
All right. So since we're coming in through this front door right here, we saw how this wall right here makes the room or the space look smaller. So we're going to relocate our kitchen right here. We're going to add about 4 feet of openness to this whole floor plan. Just by moving this wall down to here, we're going to create a L-shaped kitchen at this point with the sink under the window and put an outlet right here. And then we're Todd is standing, that'll be our new workforce dining room area.
Nice. So when you walk in the door, you gotta always think about what are you gonna do with your groceries when you walk inside the property. So we got a straight line for the front door here. Everybody getting out of the car, mom, dad, groceries. Go right into the kitchen with your dining room table, drop stuff off. First thing at my house, I don't know about you, when we walk in with the groceries, we're ready to just drop them down. All right, Mark, what we got going on back there?
All right, well, we saw how we had a small bedroom on the first floor, and we had a bathroom right here.
This was our original bathroom, and we're going to use this for our bathroom for the first floor as well. Let's change up the field change.
Yeah, so now we're going to make this the laundry room with the water heater in it, which is a great space to be used. At this point, we're going to change this area over here to a bathroom, which we're going to add at least another foot to the width of our bathroom, which makes it even look bigger. And we're going to get a bigger closet by just making these simple changes, by changing 3-4 walls.
Come on in, Smith.
Come
on in. Before you show, this is our bathroom, guys. Show us the reason this change came about, because that was our existing laundry room. You can see here, right there. This is our laundry room. So when we framed it up, and this is actually small because the guy framed it up incorrectly. You see the walls going right into a window. So this is going to get even bigger. So this is our existing utility room, and when Mark saw it, he felt that we may need to address the size of the utility room because it's bigger than a bathroom.
Yeah, so now we're going to take this whole wall and move it way over here to where we have this, using this as a guide. But that's going to add us 4 feet more width to this first floor bedroom. As well as now we got a larger bathroom, and we consider a walk-in closet to this first floor master.
So this is the walk-in closet here?
Yeah. We're going to put a header right here, create a doorway, and that door entrance will walk right into this closet. Starting right here, from this point, this direction.
I love it. I'm getting goosebumps as Mark tells me about it. It's just like I see the wood burning. I see it. All right, anything else down here, Mark?
No, that's
upstairs. Okay, so that's our downstairs floor plan. And when you look up here, we've got I-beams. What do you call these things?
TGIs.
TGIs. When you use these, you don't have any load-bearing walls in the interior walls.
They go front to back.
Front to back. So we can make the interior any way we want it. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Let's go on upstairs, guys. We got our new stairs built here. Coming up into the hallway.
This is the linen closet. Yep. And that's the coat closet.
This is our new hallway here as we're coming in. What you got here, Mark?
This is the linen closet.
All right.
I saw a change that I thought over here.
This is an additional bedroom here.
That's a huge closet for this one bedroom.
It's a double closet. So here we have a double closet. Mark's telling me he might not like that either. What do you think it's up?
Well, because if it's a kid's room, you know. If you remove this wall and that header, I mean, you got a desk area or anything.
You trying to put a wall here?
Yeah.
Okay. Mark said,
and move all that out. Well, it created an area for storage or, or
Mark
desk
said
area.
we got a double closet here, if you can see, coming in. And it's only for a child. I mean, I love my children, but they don't need all this closet space, right? Yeah. So Mark suggested we portion this off, make a little area, a study area. So we can take this wall back.
You did it from this point that way, so the closet don't be a bump out from here. That's a lot of little
space. Too much kid space. So one of these sides, is going to be a bookshelf area, or as a matter of fact, it will be a bookshelf area, and I can still have a desk in there also. Let's see what else we got. Todd, if you don't mind, just snap some steels while we're rolling through.
Alright. This is the second bedroom. Not a lot going on there, but they're all nice size closets, as you can see.
Second bedroom here.
Yep.
We're not even here. This is cool, bro. We're not even here.
We're invisible. This is our hall closet. Hall bathroom.
Hall bathroom, guys.
Where we got Nice size vanity here. Toilet going right there under the window. What is? Toilet.
Okay, how is the bathroom laid out here?
Yeah, this is the vanity area. Vanity right here, we get double vanities. I'm not sure. I have to look at the plans. And then here is the tub area.
Tub over there?
See, toilet under the window.
I'm cool with that. This is our communal bathroom for upstairs. Here's the Mac Daddy in here. The master
bath.
Master bedroom.
Bedroom.
What we got here, Mark?
There's a little added feature. Got a cathedral ceiling going in here.
Cathedral ceiling.
Or a tray ceiling. And this is the master closet. That's the master bath. I did see that I'm going to go change. Chris normally likes my changes.
I do. I don't mind them.
But
So what is this first? What is
this
this?
is the
here?
master bath.
Okay, the master
Got a
bath.
toilet over here and a tub.
Okay.
And the vanity goes there.
Are we doing tub or are we doing shower here?
I think we're doing tub.
So this is the master bathroom.
But this is not the desired window for the bathroom. So we have a 1040 window right here that I think will look better. Use at this space than in But as you can see, our vanity is going to run into that window because it's too low.
That's the things you got to remember when you're putting in windows. How is the edge of your vanities or your countertops going to run into those windows? So that's something that just popped up, Mark, or what?
Well, I saw it this morning when I came up looking at the framing upstairs.
So the vanities here?
Yep.
Yeah, there you go.
So I got to measure this, make sure we got 60 inches because we want to definitely have a double vanity in the bathroom.
Well, you can just frame this in.
Yeah. If I don't frame it in by putting that window over there, I can easily get a 2030, which is normally a standard window in the bathroom.
You got some little leftover that you bought from Greenwell?
Nah. Greenwell was already a new construction plan, it wasn't a room addition plan. So normally, in a room addition, you have more changes than you would do construction.
We'll get a quick pan of everybody rolling. So this ceiling here is going to be going up in the air. You can see how they framed it in. It's going to be very nice. What's the time we're looking, Smitty?
10.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm not going to give you too much more. I know I've taken a lot of your time, but thank you for watching our day in the life of a real estate investor. Thank you, Mark. And stay in touch. Subscribe to my channel below. We're going to bring you the progression of the goals. It's going to move real fast from here on out. Okay, Chris Haskins with the Real Estate Roundup. See you next time.